This is 911 signal 7x3 stock all LED light. Like Tony stock, it looks very strong and reliable. Besides 7x3, it has another 3 configurations: 9x7, 6x4, and 4x3. Today I'll be presenting this one and give you some information regarding this amazing product. Again, we'll start from the package. You can see it's quite attractive. And then we are going to open the box. You can see the instruction manual. If I'm not making everything clear, you can always read it. And also, now you can see the beautifully designed product. You can take this chrome cover off, so when you mount the product properly with the included screws, you can then put it back on, so you will not see the screws. And also, in case it scratches your vehicle, we include another mounting gasket free. Stock O features 12 high-intensity diodes for single color model and 24 for dual color. What I have here is in dual colors. In total, it has 96 flash patterns. So in this video, I'm not gonna show you all of them, but some of the flash patterns. First, I'm gonna connect the wires black to the ground, and the red wire is to activate the product, and I'll also activate the 2 warning colors, and use the yellow wire to, I'm gonna first reset the flash pattern. Okay, and I go through the flash patterns real quickly. Now, the stock O can reach almost 180-degree visibility with specially designed optics, and we can start from the 30-degree and about 45 and keep going to 90. So you can also see the light coming from the side of the product, reaching 180 degrees. Speaking of optics, we have spot, flood, and scene. Spot features high intensity, concentrate beam, and long range. Flood is in moderate intensity beam and range, while scene features moderate intensity, wide beam, but short range. In Europe, those are comparatively narrow. That's why we recommend scene and flood combination to help you get the best visibility. In America, however, when you are driving on highways or through intersections, you will need longer lighting range and wider angles to be seen, and thus to have enough time to react. So a combination of the 3 lenses will be the proper choice. No matter which you choose, the product can comply with SAE and ECE R65 regulations. Then we continue with the wiring. Apart from the flashing, it also has steady burn with the pink wire. Okay, this is the steady burn. And also we integrate STT functions into the great stock O. This is the tail light. And this, the stop light. Now if we connect the stop light, and then we apply the turn signal, the turn signal will override the stop light. Okay, so this is the multifunctional LIGHTHEAD stock O. If you have any questions, please tell us, and we will be glad to help you out.